My name is Michael Lai. I am a finance manager who works on budgeting as a living over the last decade. In this series, one out of the 7-week program I have designed to get you to become successful and get what you want in order to live a rich life. No gimmicks, no tricks, no BS. Let's get started. Optimize your credit. Do you plan to purchase a car, a home, or make a large purchase in the future? If your answer is yes, it's time for you to optimize your credit cards and your credit score now. So the average credit card interest rate is around 16%. Do you know of any low risk investment that can earn 16% APR year over year? Now this is a really high interest rate and should not be taken lightly. If used properly, you can gain through rewards program and points to redeem for cash, gift cards, and vacations. The real trick is to be able to pay off your balance in full every month. If you're not able to pay off your balance or currently have one, work towards paying off that first. I keep 3 credit cards that I use often because they offer higher rewards depending on the categories. I focus on my main spend categories like grocery, gas, restaurant, travel. It's always good to research to see what's the best cards available in the market are. And sometimes they offer you incentives for first-time customers, but make sure you want to use that card long-term as well before signing up. My personal favorite are the Chase Freedom, the Bank of America rewards card. They have some rotating category that gives me rewards back up to 5% back. So to me, it's a great bonus program. So the one thing to make sure of is don't close your credit cards, even if you don't plan on using it, as your credit score is going to be crucial when it comes to making large purchases. Having a long credit history, long-standing credit card account makes up a portion of your credit score. Those of you that don't have a credit card today, open one even if you don't plan on using it. Just make one transaction on the card and make sure to auto pay in full every month. This way you get started on establishing a good credit history of having credit, and it shows that you're paying off your balance on time. I personally like credit cards because I can track my spend history and dial down on what I've been purchasing. Your credit score is determined based on the following: 30% amount owed. You should only spend up to 30% of your total credit limit. So if your limit is very small, work on establishing that history and then call the vendor and ask them to increase your credit limit. 35% of it is payment history. Make steady monthly payment without being late. So the big tip here is if you for some reason missed a payment, call up the vendor and ask if they're willing to waive the charge for a long-term customer. Works for me before I automate the process. 10% credit mix. Credit cards, car loan, mortgage, business loans. You don't need to get all of them, but it's good to have a mix. 15% length of credit card. So the longer history you have on your credit cards, the better. So that's why when your first credit card you open, make sure to keep it, don't ever close it. And the last 10% is new credit. So don't open too many new accounts in a short amount of time, as that can be a red flag to the lenders. So spend some time. This should take several hours for you to do some research on what credit cards work best for you based on your spending habits. and then sign up for those credit cards. And catch up with me next week. I'll go over week number 2 of the program. Program designed to get you to become successful and get what you want in order to live a rich life. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press that bell notification to get my latest update on my weekly videos. Thanks. Have a good one. Bye.